In this video, we are going to see how digital marketing affects any business to grow. And we are going to compare different aspects of traditional marketing and digital marketing. So without getting further delay, let's get started. Traditional marketing versus digital marketing. Before we start the key differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing, I would like to let you know the terms related to digital marketing and showcase you a real life example that will describe the concept of digital marketing. Let's see, you have a business in your locality and you will have many challenges when you start. Firstly, you need to find your customers. Next, you will need to know where your customers are coming from. Next, you will also need to know what your customers are saying about your business. That means you need a proper feedback system. And would you able to run your business in extended hours? Also, can you deliver the product at doorsteps? Remember the key to your business success. If customers don't come into your business, then you will not get a revenue to run your business. But with the help of digital marketing, you can solve all your business challenges. Firstly, you can reach your target customers with the help of search engine and social media listing. Firstly, you will reach to your target customers with the help of search engine and social media listing. Next, using the web analytics, you can track your customers. Where are they coming from and what is the source of traffic? Next, you can use pay-per-click advertising and social media to lower your cost in advertising. And believe me, this is very important. And set up an online store so that you don't miss any order in off hours as well. And if you need any kind of help to set up your online store, you can connect with me. The credentials are given in the description. When you have an online store, it will be easier for you to have a logistic solution so that you can ship and track the product sent to your customers. And by this way, you go beyond your neighborhood and do business with the help of digital marketing. Also, you can track your customers' experience with the help of reviews and feedbacks. Now let's talk about the key differences between traditional advertisement and digital advertisement. The key difference between traditional and digital advertisement is traditional campaigns. Traditional advertisement is static in nature, while digital advertisement is dynamic in nature. That means you cannot change your traditional ad after publishing, but with the help of digital advertisement, you could do the same. So, when we say it is dynamic in nature, so we can make changes in digital advertisement. Even you can make as many as changes you want and keep optimize your ad as per your business requirement. Also, you can test a set of ads and choose best one that will working for your campaign. This is called A/B testing. And this is very exhaustively used in digital marketing to test a set of ads and keep the optimized one for the campaign. This is also not possible in traditional marketing. Now let's talk about ads campaign. Basically, we can design and launch ads in various digital marketing channels, and you can monitor your ads with the help of analytic tools, and this will help you in optimization of ad. It is easily understand when we run some set of ads, we can see which one are performing well, while same cannot be done in traditional advertising like in newspaper and TV advertisement. This is the continuous process of digital marketing. We keep designing, launching and monitoring. And finally, optimizing the ads in digital marketing. And this is the ultimate advantage of using digital marketing. Now that we know the key differences between traditional and digital advertisement. Now let's look at the differences of traditional marketing and digital marketing on the basis of some factors. The first key difference is that traditional marketing is more of an outbound marketing, while online marketing is inbound marketing. The next difference is schedule. Usually, the schedule of the traditional marketing is long term. That is, when we run a TV ads, it will take 6 months or at least for 3 months. While you can run a Facebook ad or search ad within a week or days. Next key difference is campaign. As we talked earlier, traditional marketing campaigns are static in nature, while digital marketing campaigns are dynamic in nature. Next is communication. While in digital marketing, you can click through an ad or make a call directly from your search engine, while it is not possible in paper ad or TV advertisement. So you cannot call directly to the marketer in traditional marketing. The next most important key difference is tracking. In digital marketing, with the help of real-time analytics, you can track your project, while it is quite difficult in traditional advertisement. And now, the most important key difference is budget. In traditional marketing, usually have very high budget, while in digital marketing comparatively, you have a very low budget to start. So display has very important role when you designing a campaign, when you planning a marketing budget for your product or service for your business. So these are the key differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. I hope you will understand now. In our further video, we will discuss more about digital marketing.